You ever felt that chilling whisper, "You're not good enough"? Just as you're about to soar, it's that internal critic, louder than any external challenge. I've stood at the edge of my own dreams, paralyzed, not by the enormity of the climb, but by the quiet doubt echoing inside my skull. That voice can turn potential into paralysis, keeping brilliant ideas locked away and bold actions untaken. But here's the truth I learned. Even the mightiest oak began as a nut that simply refused to give up on its destiny. What incredible masterpiece within Shui Yu is waiting to be unveiled if you just silence that insidious whisper. Think of Walt Disney, fired for lacking imagination. Yet he built an empire on pure creative audacity. He didn't let doubt win. It's not about erasing doubt. It's about acting you dead despite it, proving yourself wrong with every single courageous step you take. So today, take just one audacious step. Launch that idea. Have that conversation. Apply for that dream job. Because when you conquer your inner world, you don't just transform yourself. You light a beacon for everyone around you. Your potential isn't a maybe. It's a certainty waiting for your gun-wavering belief. Now, go show that doubt who's boss.